Hi everyone, this is Anne, and this is going to be my January favorites video. And I have some hair care, skincare, and makeup items that I've been loving for the month of January and wanted to show you what those are. So starting with a few makeup products that I've been loving, I have two foundations that I want to share with you that I've been using this month and absolutely loving. And one of them is by Pure Cosmetics, and it's their new water serum foundation, and it's called Hydra Fluid. And this is a perfect light to medium coverage foundation, and it's perfect for the no makeup looks. And then another one that I've been using and loving is by Peter Thomas Roth, and this is his CC cream. And this one gives a little bit more coverage. It's more of a medium coverage foundation. And I've been loving both of these this month. And when I apply them and then flip my mirror over to the 10 times magnification, I really can't see either of these on my skin. They both blend into my skin really well. They don't look patchy and they wear really well throughout the day. So I'm really loving both of these. And I did do a review on the Hydra Fluid foundation, and I'll put a link to that video in the description box below in case you want to check that one out. And I also will put any links to any of the products that I show today in the description box in case you're interested in taking a look at previous videos that I did on individual products. Another makeup product that I've been using this month and loving is by Hourglass, and it is one of their blushes, and it's in Electra, which is a really pretty peach color, and it does have a little bit of the glow to it. So you get a little bit of highlight mixed in with the blush, and it's a really beautiful light to medium peach color. So I've been loving this. And then moving on to some hair care products, I have been loving the Kukui Oil shampoo and conditioner by OGX. And this is a little bit of a heavier shampoo and conditioner. I do have quite dry, thick, frizzy hair, and so this really works wonderfully on my hair. If you had real thin hair though, or real fine hair, it might be a little bit too heavy for you. But if you have thicker hair, this does a wonderful job at smoothing the hair and defrizzing it. So I'm really loving these. And then a couple more hair care products that I've been using this month and loving. One is a hair oil, and it's the Argan Oil by Physicians Formula. And this is just the regular one, not the one with shimmer in it. And I have been applying this on my dry hair at nighttime and then braiding my hair. And it really does a nice job at soaking in overnight and conditioning my ends and my hair. And I have been loving this. And you can also put this on your skin. It's very hydrating on the skin as well. And I really am enjoying this oil. And then I was using a wet brush, and I noticed that I was losing a lot of hair in my brush every time I would style my hair. And so I switched back to my Tangle Teezer brush, and I have noticed that I have less hair in the brush after I've used it. And I really do love this. I did purchase it a good year ago, or maybe 2 years ago, from Sally's Beauty, and I believe that you can get it at other stores as well. And it's a really good brush. I noticed that I have less hair fallout when I use this, so I really am enjoying switching back to this brush and would recommend this brush. And then moving on to some skincare items that I've been loving this month. One of them is by Filorga, and this is a French brand, and this is their Time Filler Wrinkle Cream. And I did just do a video review on this, and I'll link that below. But I have been loving using this at nighttime and also in the morning underneath my makeup. And then another skincare item that I've been loving is by Palmer's, and it's their Even Tone Fade Cream. And I like to apply this at nighttime. And it does have 2% hydroquinone in it. So if you're against that ingredient, you may want to skip this one. But I am loving this. It just is really helping to even my skin tone and take away any of the sun damaged dark spots on my skin. So I have been loving that one as well. And then my final favorite for the month of January is by Dr. Jart, and this is his Ceramiden Oil Balm. And I like to use the oil balm at nighttime. And then I have two other forms of it. I have the liquid and I also have the cream form. And I use the liquid or the cream in the daytime underneath my makeup. And I love his range of ceramidin. I did do a previous video on this, and I will link that below in case you want to take a look at it. If you guys have tried any of the favorites that I mentioned, please comment below and share your thoughts on them. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching.